Sit. Sit. Very good. For your mommy and baby Ichi.
find way to survive it, for sure. If you need some energy and love, just call me and I'll lift you up. Whatever comes today, I'm ready. I feel strong, awake and happy. Ready and happy. Good morning, you wonderful one. Good morning, my dear universe. Here comes a nice day, no matter what the sleepy voices say. Good morning to me and to you. I think we're ready for something great and good.
Usual scenes begin to glow. Just being with you, my heart finds grace. Little miracles bloom right here, ordinary moments shining clear. Each time your smile lights up the air, the world feels softer everywhere. You bring color to the days I let slip by, filling life with meaning I can't deny. Every day feels like a sweet surprise. The treasure you give opens up my skies. Your warmth lights even the darkest time, sketching out my future line by line. Walking side by side as night falls down. City lights shimmer on the ground.
Bye-bye.